Welcome to the EarthWorks Stone Visualizer. On your screen now, you will be looking at the home page, which is going to give you access to all of the pages and tools available on the visualizer. We're going to be looking at these various options in a series of videos, so let's get started. Across the top of your screen, you're going to see a header bar, and each of these is going to be a link to the page on the visualizer where you can begin designing the look of your home. We have the sample gallery, which is going to let you explore the products available through EarthWorks Stone on a project that's already been prepared in the visualizer. And we have the design services, and this is going to be where you can submit an image of your own home to have our team map it out for you. So you'll be getting a project that's quality of the sample projects, but it'll be your own home, and you can then play with the products from there. Then we have the upload photo option. This would be the space where you would upload your own image if you wanted to use the tools to prepare it yourself. Finally, we have a tutorial space. This is going to be a link to a separate page, which is going to give you some tutorial information and guidance as you go along. And then we have two drop-down menus, the Create Account drop-down, as well as the Sign In drop-down. These are scrollable little drop-down menus. The Create Account option is going to let you create your visualizer account. The reason why you might want to do this is so that you can start saving your projects, save your progress as you go along, and save multiple designs onto projects that you're working with. If you already have a visualizer account, you're going to use the Sign In drop-down to enter the email that you've created your account with, as well as the password that you used. There is a Forgot Password feature as well, so if you remember creating an account, but you don't remember what your password is, you can use the Forgot Password option, and that's going to send an email to the email that you've entered into this top box, and that will let you change your password and sign in. The last item we have is the free quote space. So that is going to be where you can actually get a quote or submit a request for a quote for EarthWorks Stone products. On the left panel, there is some information about what the different areas offer you, so it'll help you figure out where you need to start. So again, you've got the option to already start designing using a professionally prepared project in the system of a sample home. You can submit your own image of your home to the team to have them prepare it for you in a professional capacity, or you can use your own image through the upload option and use the tools to map out the various areas and start applying products. So hopefully that gives you a nice brief overview. And I hope you have fun exploring the tools and starting on your visualizer dream project.